Hey, Rashida, good to have you with us.
Yes.
Awesome.
How you doing?
Awesome. Congratulations on all your success.
Thank
Um,
you so much.
yes, absolutely. So let me ask you this. What were you struggling with within this business, within your business before you come to our program?
Well, with my business, I'm a financial strategist. So, of course, that definitely takes some time to build a relationship, connect with people, and then to build the know, like, trust factor. So, I'm building that on that side. For a couple of years, I've been in that. And then as that is growing, because my goal is to inspire other women who are trying to achieve their financial freedom way before 65. And I wanted to show them how to really build wealth outside of their profession. And so some of the things, these are things I'm doing for myself. And I strive to get, the passive income. And one of the concept that I really love, what the moment that I came to find out about it is like the Airbnb arbitrage and without me owning my own property. So, and I saw you and I was like, okay, this is it. This is a former colleague. They're definitely gonna be, straight with me and all that stuff, and they can coach me the right way that I need to. So, and I came on board, had that other stream of passive income, so that way, I can show other women what is possible, right? It doesn't matter what they're trying to do, as long as, whatever they're passionate about, they can go for it and then, add the passive income to it.
It's awesome. So, and you were a pharmacist too, right? You're still a pharmacist, right? That's
I
awesome.
am a pharmacist part-time.
Part time,
Yes,
gotcha. Yeah. What
yes.
were some struggles with that job or industry that made you decide to look elsewhere?
Yeah, the industry is just so saturated right now. It's crazy. Aside from the crazy work schedule that retail pharmacists are facing, well, I left retail pharmacy like within a few months that I got into it because it was just ridiculous. I couldn't do it. And I wanted to have that relationship with my patients, and that just wasn't possible for me. And then I got a job with a company that I love and a different role that I really enjoy in a hospice pharmacy. And that pharmacy shut down within a year of opening. So I got laid off
Uh,
unexpectedly. And that moment was when I realized, you know what, I really need to build something for myself outside of my professional job. So, and that's what got me into thinking entrepreneurship and ways to add other streams of income. And, that's what got me here. And I'm really grateful that I made that decision.
Okay,
And
good.
I don't think I can go back to working full time for somebody else.
Yeah, yeah, I have a 9 to 5 and just counted the pills, right? Right. I got,
Yes.
yeah, I've been there as well. So, what were some initial things that we help you with to get the ball rolling with this Airbnb stuff?
So definitely the right tools are there. The information is there. The basic things that I need to get started to be able to talk with the owners, to close deals, and then overcome fear of actually talking to the owners. How can I make my point clear to show that it is really in their benefit as well? So, and those were some of the things that I got, you helped me with, of course. And then after getting over all of that hurdle, it was just like smooth sailing from there on. And I couldn't be more excited with how things are going right now.
That's awesome. Yeah, so that
Yeah.
brings me to my next question. What's your biggest accomplishment or breakthrough that so far in our Beyond B&B Secrets program?
For one, I used to be one who would take time to really analyze a lot of things. And that, like the analysis paralysis that they talk about. So, but I know with you, you're like, okay, you just go take action, go find deal, and let me analyze it for you and see if it's a good deal. Don't take too much time looking through all of these videos. We will learn as we go. So those are some of the things that really got me going. And I'm like, okay, well, I guess I can really do it. And then within a month of actually being in the program, and connecting with owners and realtors and things like that, I got the first property under contract, and I actually got it up and running, and I was so surprised. That was the close out that last year. So we made it like pretty close to the last couple of days of the year. So we made that goal happen, and we got it under contract, listed it, and we got our first tenant within the first 4 days of listing it. And they signed for two months, which is pretty awesome too.
That's awesome. That is awesome.
Yes.
Yeah, feeling your first one, right? And you said book. I know that
Yes.
feeling. It's awesome, right? It's like the skies open up.
Exactly.
We have hope. We have our dreams can come true.
Yes. So that just made me realize what is possible, that I
Yeah.
can definitely do more and more. So, within a couple of weeks after that, we got a second one under contract that we're setting up right now, actually. And then, my first agent, the agent for the first one, contacted me with another property right now, which will be getting set up next month, early part of next month too. So,
Nice. That's awesome.
ball is just rolling like
Yeah,
that.
yeah. And you
It's a
should be
matter of
making,
creating that relationship,
yes.
the initial relationship, and then it's just everything is just sky is the beginning point really from there.
Right, exactly. Yeah. Yeah, and you should be making about $2,000 per property, right? About. And then
Correct.
we're not even in the hot season yet. We're in January. We're actually in the slow season. So as we progress, it's gonna be harder and harder, especially in summertime. You can probably make like $3,000 a month each from May to August, from my experience. Yeah. But no, that's fantastic. Yeah. So from here into there, you should get several more properties, and it's like getting buckets, get ready for the rainfall of money, right? So
Oh
yeah.
yes, I'm so looking
How
forward
many
to
more
it.
properties do you want to have before summertime? Let's say the next 3 months.
In the next 3 months, at least 3 more properties.
Nice. So that's about
Yeah.
six. Yeah, about
Yeah.
6 total, and you can make about around 12, 15K a month. That's
Yeah.
fantastic, right? Yeah, that is awesome. Congratulations. That's fantastic. So why did you almost not join our program?
Well, I've really looked at multiple people. I've seen the Airbnb model thrown around a lot, but with all the information on, social, it's just so difficult knowing who is real, I've signed on for programs that I didn't really kind of like, for it didn't really meet my expectation. So it's like I took my time to find the right person that can really coach me through that, right? And then when I saw Dr. Chau's post, I saw it actually a few times before I decided, you know what? He's a pharmacist. I want to check him out too. So I'm like, okay, he's a pharmacist by background, and typically pharmacists are just straight to the point. But I was like, okay, I can really connect with this person. So why not? Let me just reach out and see what they have to offer there. And it turned out that we actually went to the same school. So
Yeah.
so it was so freaking awesome how that kind of worked out. And, we made that connection instantly. And then, I decided to come on board, and it's really met all my expectations as far as what I needed to get me going. And that was the push. And, I didn't think about it twice before saying, okay, you know what, this is the time I need to move forward. I've seen this multiple times, and I need to get things going on this aspect too. So
yeah, that's fantastic. One thing we forgot to mention that the income from this is like almost passive income, right? I mean, since the last people you check in on your last property, do you ever have to show up there, do any work or do anything?
exactly.
No, right?
So
Yeah,
nothing crazy. So
yeah,
it was pretty much, phone conversation,
right.
checking in. Is everything going okay?
Yeah.
If you need anything, let me know. So,
Yeah.
I know for that 2 months, I'm pretty, it was just the initial setting up part that
Right.
definitely takes some work. But after that,
Yeah.
but it's like, it's just the first month
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
I've been
Yeah.
in. So, but I know it's
Yeah.
gonna be amazing.
Oh yeah, definitely. And when some they have any issues, guess what? You just call somebody to fix it, not you, because we don't have the skill set to fix that kind of stuff, right? So
Exactly.
basically, you can do that within just a few minutes, right? So that's
Right.
it. Yeah. So and you make 2-3K a month for property. It's pretty amazing. Versus what we had to do 8 years of school, and then go out work 8-10 hours a day, drive an hour and a half, an hour to work, an hour back for me anyway, right? To make 10K a month. 10K a month, you can make 5 properties, which you can do within the next couple months, right? So
Exactly.
yeah. So what would you say to someone that is on the fence, thinking about joining the program, but still have doubts, worries, fears about making the investment into themselves?
All right, excellent question, which I've been getting a lot. People have approached me to ask me about this. So I would say, I know initially starting anything new, you want to do your own research and all that stuff. Yeah, that's fine. You can do your research, but don't take too long doing it. And then, Dr. Chau here knows what he's doing. It's been here, been doing it over 6 years with over 30 properties under management. So those were some of the things that I look for when I want to work with someone. Do they have the track record? And are they doing it? Are they getting results right now? And it's proved it over and over again. And as far as the initial investment, I would say don't think about it too much. If you're not investing in yourself, who else would you want to invest in? Like for us, we went to pharmacy school all these years, got like multiple six-figure debt, okay, student loan debt. And the pharmacy profession right now has turned upside down for the most part as far as the job is concerned, oversaturated. So not much income is coming from there. And then now we want to invest like few how much it is for this program and to get results right away. Like for me, within 30 days, I got things set up and got my first tenant, right? And I already cash flowed like almost $4,000 from there, which is pretty insane. So don't think about it too much. It's definitely very worth it. Whatever you feel like you need to do to be able to make that investment in yourself, just do it. Be resourceful and go for it. Don't sit on the fence too long because things are moving. Before you know it, it's you might not even find something when you're ready if you're taking way too long to get started.
Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, very well put. Definitely, guys, congrats on your success. And yeah, definitely join us. Everybody's watching. We love to have you guys. And, we're going to celebrate financial freedom together, right? So our next video with you, we're going to celebrate when you hit your 10K a month in cash flow, right? Which how much we're making
Yes.
in pharmacy. Yeah,
Yes. So looking forward to it.
awesome. Okay. Thank you.